Hey my people, what's good, what's poppin', how are you? Today is vlog day. A lot of you do ask where I get my designer shoes from. So today I'm taking you along. I get my designer shoes, a few of them, from sample sale. I never buy full price designer shoes. I don't. So this one is Sophia Webster. I always get it on sample sale for the fraction of the price, like cheap. So today they're having a sample sale. I'm going with my sister and my friend. So that's what we're doing today. And maybe if we have time, just before we pick up the kids from school, we can grab some lunch, and enjoy. The place that I get my designer sample from is called Showcase. You need to sign up to their newsletter, and then they will update you whenever they have a sample going on. So it's not just shoes, clothes, you name it, any designer brand, that's what they have. So this is the first time after COVID that we are going in store. They've done it before, but the one that they did was online. So this one is in store. So I'm looking kind of cute. I think I need an earring. I'm not into earrings, wearing of earrings. I'm not. But I really think I need one. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm on my way. Today I've gone for a really big coat. It's like I don't get this thing with London. And the weather is not that bad. It's not. But best believe it's going to be raining very soon. Yeah, this is my coat. I have one, but I feel better in this coat than getting a little jacket that is not going to serve me well. So that's London for you. 1 minute is sunny, next minute is raining. Okay, so let's go get some shoes. Yay! I think I'm running late. Yeah, so let's go. Guys, let me show you a bit of London. Hello. So this is where we are going. Showcase. So if in case you guys want to come, this is in Regent Street. Yeah, that's where you can get all the designer samples. Showcase, as you can see. Look at the shoes. Look at it. Look at the shoes. Oh, this is so pretty. This is pretty. My God. Let me get this out for you guys so you'll be able to see. This is so pretty. I believe this is 470. This is really nice, and it's a size 35. They have so many different sizes here, guys. That's another shoes. This is so pretty. Look at that. That is so nice. Oh my God. That is so nice. Wow. That is another shoes. So beautiful. Look at them. So nice. This is really nice. Look what they have. Wow. The shoes are amazing. I need to take them off so you'll be able to see really, really well. Guys, this is so nice. This is really, really nice. Ooh, I love this. If you guys remember, I have these shoes already from their last sample sale. They still have it here. This is nice. Have a look at this. I think I found my shoes. I just came for one of this kind, a butterfly, and I think that is it. This is a 36 and that's my size. I'm just gonna ask the price. I believe it will be like 100 and something. So this is so nice. This is really, really nice. And I think that's it. Unless I find something else. But for now, I am sticking with this. I love it. Love this sandal. I think I like this one too. I love this. This is so pretty. Guys, look, I found another one. Now I'm not sure which one I really do want now. Yeah, I don't know. I need to try it on. I'm gonna try it on, guys, so you will see it. This is really, really nice. I love this as well. Oh, I'm confused. I know. Guys, have a look at this. This is really, really cute. Oh my goodness. I love this. Love it. Oh. Guys, have a look. This is really, really nice. So cute. My goodness. Shoes. I don't know what to go for. I really don't know. Oh my. Look at that as well. That's so simple. Simple and nice. Really, really nice. Guys, have a look. Is it? Come on, you cannot tell me this is not pretty. This is so gorgeous. This is nice. I'm loving this. This will surely be like 170 or something. This is so pretty. Oh my god, goodness, this is really, really nice. Guys, check this one out. Check this one out. Why? This is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh god. I don't know. I came here for just the butterfly shoes because that's what I don't have. But now look at me going crazy. Wow. As you can see on this section is £30. So all the shoes that you see here are £30. If it's your size, it's going for 30. This one is going for 30 and this is a 35.5. This will be my size, you know, and that's £30. But it's too high, is it? I like it. So look at that. This is what you need to see. This is where I mark, showcase. You just need to sign up and then they will like update you whenever they're having a sample sale. Yeah. So guys, this is what my selection is looking like. This is what I have at the moment. I'm just going to try it on and see what I really want to keep and what I really don't like. So this is it. Yeah, that's all my selections. Guys, that is the first one. This is my first pair. I'm Ashi, don't mind me. So that's it. I love it. I love it. This is really, really nice. Just want to show you in the mirror so you'll be able to see. So that is it. Really, really nice. I love this. Love it. It's just the back. The back does it for me. It's the back. Guys, check this one out. Check this out. Oh my god. Let me walk for you guys. Let me do a walk. Guys, check her out. This is £60. This is £60. And this is a Sophia Webster. £60. Like, can you believe that? feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Guys, so this is another one, but I think this one is a little bit too high for me. Really high. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Don't mind my ashifi, please. I'm not sure if I can. Let me just do that walk. Oh, this is high. This is really high. So high. But that's 60 pounds. Oh man, I love it. Just love it. Ooh. I think I'm going for that. I'm definitely going for it. Wow, for 60, I am going for it. It's another favorite. Look at this. This is 30 pounds. Such a cute. Oh my god, I love it. 30 pounds. Wow. Guys, this is the butterfly one. This is the butterfly. I don't know if I should go for this. I've taken so many. The butterfly one is 125. So let me show you the prices. So that's all the prices. So that's yesterday's price, and today is the final sale. So it's going down. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. Oh wow. I love this too. I love it. This is so nice. Very different. Hey guys, look at her. This is beautiful. Really beautiful. Guys, look. A room full of shoes. Look at that. Oh my god. I am living for this. This is a dream. Came with this little one, and we've got something for her. As you can see, I'm going through them. I am so confused at the moment. So confused what to get. I do not know. I'm loving everything. Like, this is bad. This is bad for my health. Why am I loving everything? This is 60 pounds. That's also 60 pounds. That's 60 pounds. That's 30 pounds. I do not know. I'm okay, so I will definitely go for this one. Let's go for them ones.
These ones, these are 125.
125, yeah. Is it? Alright. Let's see if I have enough money. Ooh, I do. Thank you.
No worries.
Guys, damage has been done. I'll show you the corporates. Look at them. Damage has been done. Guys, we've done damage.
It's true.
Oh my god.
You killed it.
I'll show you another
I'm gonna come back.
Oh my god. But when I do get home, I will show you the shoes I got, and then I will do like a luxury shoe haul for you, because I have quite a few shoes. So I will show you just the bit that I have. Yeah. Oh, I nearly got hit by a car.
And I had to save her.
Okay. So I don't think we'll have time to grab something to eat before we pick the kids. So we are just going to pick the kids up. All right, I'll show you
I will see you guys at home. Bye.